Back in the workshop this morning, and I'm just bringing you a quick video just to let my subscribers know why I wasn't able to do a video for last Sunday. So I've been absolutely flat out the last 2 weeks. I've got loads on. Basically, I've not had the chance to edit any videos, so obviously working on the projects takes up a lot of my time, and then putting the videos together takes a lot of time. So 5 or 10 minute video can actually take sort of 10-15 hours to put together. I'm not the best at putting them together, so yeah, they are very time consuming. And with all that said, let's have a look what I've been getting up to over the last couple of weeks. So an interesting job that I've been getting on with here is an RGV250, and I've been painting this the Barry Sheene DAF colours. So as you can see, I've got quite a bit done on this one, so that means I'll be putting a video together on this very soon. So I went back over a bit with this one last night. Unfortunately, I chipped the tank here. Well, a chip appeared there, so it might not have been me, but yeah, it probably was me. So unfortunately the tank got chipped. I've had to flat that out, and then I've blown it over with some base coat. I masked the top half of the tank off, blew that over with some base coat, and then I've lacquered the whole tank again. So once that goes hard, I'll give that a flat and a polish up, and then that can go on. I think what's happened is, because this is a sharp edge on here, I think I've caught it more than likely with this when I put the seat unit on. So as you can see, that seat unit's looking pretty awesome. It's not really going to need much polishing at all. The lower fairings for this one are just under here, so they need a light flat and a polish. To be honest, I'd probably get away with them, but just to make them look absolutely more awesome than they already do, I'm going to give them a bit of a flat and a polish. Another job I've been on with is this Audi. So this had absolutely rotten wings on it, so I've just put 2 new wings on. Well, they're not new, the customer supplied them, they're off another car, but I've tidied them up and I've fitted them to this car, and I've painted the wings, I've blown in the doors. There was also some rust on the lower doors, so I've blown them in as well. So this all needs flattening and polishing up today. I also painted and fitted a spoiler on this one, so I got that stuck on last night. Again, that's going to need a bit of a polish. And of course, it's Olivers Mount this weekend, so I've got prep to do on this bike. I've got 2 new tyres to go on. I think they're going to get delivered today. I've got a new master cylinder to fit and some new front brake calipers, because these brake calipers are not very good at all. So we did some testing at Croft in March, and we were getting huge problems with the front brake. They just weren't up to it. So I'm going to replace it. This is the new master cylinder, and it's a Hell. So I think that was about £200, maybe it's a bit more. And I purchased that off eBay. As you can see, it's got a flip up lever. So that's in case you have an accident. Hopefully Aaron won't have an accident, but if he does, that's supposed to save the lever. But fingers crossed, and touch wood, that is all good. So yeah, if any of you are able to make it this weekend at Olivers Mount, we'll be racing the classic superbikes. Aaron Sadler now races the bike, 441 Aaron Sadler. He'll be racing this bike in the classic superbikes at Olivers Mount this weekend. It is of course the Cock of the North. And I'm just going to show you on my wall. So here's the dates for Olivers Mount. So we are going to be at the Cock of the North, the Barry Sheene Festival, and the Steve Henshaw Gold Cup. And you can scan that. That'll take you through to the tickets, so you can order your tickets. So yeah, it's absolutely awesome at Olivers Mount. I love it. Great weekend. Some people compare it to a mini TT. It's good. It's good for people if they've not been to racing before and they want to experience it. There's beer tent there. There's live music on the night. So yeah, it's good fun. Camping. Take your motorhome, pitch your tent, do whatever. Lots of clean toilets everywhere. They're well manned. Showers even. So yeah, it's a fantastic weekend. Anyway, I best get grafting on because I've got loads to do. and I don't want to be leaving everything last minute. I want to have everything done. I want the brake, the new front brake all on the bike. I want it all bled up, the tyres fitted. I've got a couple of hashtags I need to put on the tank as well on the Srad, so I'm probably going to put them on and get the tank lacquered. Oh, and I'm going to have to strip and clean the carbs. I love to just have them carbs stripped and clean so I know they're right every time. The bikes are generally stood a little while between races. Fuel doesn't last long. It's not good fuel these days. So I just like to clean the carbs out, make sure they're right. So that's it. That's what I've been up to, and I hope I see some of you at Olivers Mount. And videos that are coming, I've got lots coming. I've got some lovely rusty videos. I've got some proper good rusty videos. The video will be good on this Audi. That'll be a good video. And I've got one on a Skoda Fabia. I think it's a Skoda Fabia VRS. That's going to be a really good video. So I'll replace the sills on that one. There was a lot of rust on that car, and it just looked awesome when it's finished. And yeah, so yeah, lots to come. And one on the Barry Sheene full respray, of course. And I've got another video to come on the TZR250 3M8, another Barry Sheene video that I need to put together. I've had the video for a while, and I've just not put it all together yet because, as I say, it takes a lot of time editing and putting these videos together. But I've got some crackers to come, so if you've not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and I hope that I see some of you that have already subscribed to Olivers Mount this weekend. Right, that's me gone.